Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Skate 3 on PC. First, you'll need to download the RPCS3 emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, extract the compressed file into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. Next, obtain the PlayStation 3 system software firmware from the official PlayStation website. With the firmware downloaded, open RPCS3, navigate to the File menu, and select Install Firmware to complete the initial setup. Now, you'll need the Skate 3 game files, ideally in PKG or ISO format. The most recommended and legal way to obtain these is by dumping your own physical game disc or digital copy. Once you have the game files, place them into the games folder located within your RPCS3 directory. For PKG files, use the Install PKG option under the File menu. If you have an ISO, it should appear in your game list for direct booting. To get Skate 3 running smoothly, let's tweak some RPCS3 settings. In the CPU tab, set both PPU and SBU decoders to recompiler LLVM for optimal performance. For your GPU, select Vulkan as the renderer if your graphics card supports it, as it generally offers superior performance. Crucially, enable right color buffers in the GPU settings to prevent common visual glitches. You can also increase the resolution scale to 150% or even 4K for sharper visuals, depending on your system's power. For the best gameplay experience, head to the GPU settings and set the frame limit to infinite or 60 frames per second. Next, configure your controller in the Pads tab, select your controller type, such as X input for Xbox controllers or DualSense for PlayStation 5. For those seeking higher frame rates, adjusting the V-blank frequency to 120 or 240 Hz in advanced settings can help. Finally, install any available game updates and patches to ensure maximum stability and access to all features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.